So how do you get real YouTube data inside Claude? That's what this video is about today. And I'm excited to share this one with you. First of all, you cannot let Claude guess YouTube data. You have to make sure that Claude receives the right data points through what's called a data connector. And it is key that you understand that vidIQ, I have a link underneath this video for it, is the tool of choice. This is essentially a live data feed directly from Google through vidIQ, which is a power tool if you're in the YouTube space that you should consider. And in fact, you can ask plain questions here. You can ask it to get real numbers back, any specific go-to examples, breakout videos on topics and competitor videos, etc. That's necessary asks that you need to position to get the data that you need back out. And by the way, at the end of this video, I'm going to give you a detailed prompt of exactly how I use it for doing my own research and for clients. And that is totally free. So this is a decision loop. You check your views and you check multipliers together, and you confirm if it fits your audience and if the results are starting to move in your direction. The exact research for this is compiled into a Google Doc, which I will share with you. And just to give you an idea, here are some of the notes. This is the actual prompt to use here. You are my YouTube research analyst. I run a channel for, and then who your channel serves. For instance, business owners, consultants, coaches, etc. That's what this channel is all about. My channel has about, and then your subscriber count, and a typical video gets your typical views. So this sets up a detailed list of 8 segments inside this prompt that you need to use to get the data out from YouTube straight into Claude. Then you can use this research and this competitive analysis to actually make a difference in your own YouTube channel and for your research to make a difference in your ecosystem as well. I've also put at the bottom some rules to show real numbers only. Never estimate or invent a metric. If the data does not support a conclusion, say so plainly instead of guessing. So no guessing. We're really going for exact detail here. So I hope this helps you. I'm excited to get it out there, and I'll talk to you soon.